Hello friends. We are glad to see you on our channel. Happy viewing.
As for the components inside the new iPhone SE2, here's what the rumors are indicating. Processor. According to a Text24 report back in August 2017, the new iPhone SE2 will use the A10 Fusion chip, as seen in the iPhone 7. The SE currently offers an A9 chip, as used in the iPhone 6s. This Chinese report from February also suggests that the new iPhone will use the A10 Fusion chip, rather than the A9 in the current model, but sport 2GB of RAM and 32GB or 128GB capacities, as currently. Months later, and code in Apple's Xcode developer software seems to hint that a new iPhone that shares specs with the iPhone 7 may be in the pipeline. This phone, signified by the name iPhone 20, that's not what the phone will be called, rather a placeholder, seems to have an A10 processor, like the iPhone 7. It could be a successor to the iPhone SE, but it's not clear if it is the LCD version of the iPhone 10, or a SE-sized handset. Guillermo Rambo of 9to5Mac referred to the code in a 22nd of August tweet, noting that the code refers to a device with an A10 processor and P3 gamut display, but no notch or Face ID, so it could be an SE replacement, as the LCD iPhone 10 is thought to have a notch for Face ID.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Always glad to see you.